If the dogs are barking at your heels, you know you're leading the pack. Ideals are like stars. You will not succeed in touching them. But like the seafaring person on the desert of waters, you choose them as your guides, and following them you will reach your destiny. Carl Schurz. A leader is best when people barely know they exist, not so good when people obey and acclaim them, worse when they despise them. Lao Tzu. Nothing is easier than fault-finding. No talent, no self-denial, no brains. No character is required to set up in the grumbling business. Robert West. Do not expect that you will make any lasting or very strong impression on the world through intellectual power without the use of an equal amount of conscience and heart. William Jewett Tucker. Success is to be measured not so much by the position that one has reached in life as by the obstacles which they have overcome while trying to succeed. Booker T. Washington. I hate quotations. Tell me what you know. R.W. Emerson. I gotta be that person that I didn't have. I owe up. If I don't help and connect, then I'm not what I say I'm about and where I'm from. That's the worst thing you can be. A person who pretends to be one thing and is not that. D. Watkins. The greatness of a community is most accurately measured by the compassionate actions of its members. Coretta Scott King.